So sweetie. Then guess. So you need to guess, guys. You need to guess. So unbox with me, guys, the viral cup. Okay, unbox with me the viral trending cup. Okay, they are calling it long sitting cup and they are calling it sitting cup. I don't know what to call it. So anyway, let's unbox because we decided to buy and then let's see what we order is what they bring. Like this cup is all over internet. Like if I enter my Instagram, this cup is everywhere. Like Indians are advertising it every minute. They are just advertising this cup. Oh my gosh, I just received it today, guys, this afternoon. Wow. Oh. Oh my god, look at this bistro. Oh, shy, so cute. I have my love stick cup. I don't know what they call it. I don't even know what to call the cup. Anyway, let's come and see, guys. Look at that. It comes with this two straw. It have the rubber straw, something like this. This one is rubber one. So this one is a straw washer in case I want to wash it. Oh, this one. So in case you want to wash straw, you are going to use this to wash your straw. So I have other ones in my drawer there. So this one is the iron one. This one is iron straw. You can see this one to wash your straw. So you can only use this to wash the straw. So it comes with two straw, and then let's open this side. Oh my gosh! For here, I think you can open for here, or you can put your straw from here. Let's see. Yeah, if you want to put straw for here, you can put straw from this place. And let's see where to open it. Okay, you can open it from here. Then add on water. Oh my god! Look at inside, so beautiful. Oh my gosh! So this is the viral cup, guys. Like this cup has been trending. And then Hobby decided to order. It's not me. It was Hobby that ordered this cup. He was like, are you not seeing this cup or you don't love it? I was like, I love it. Promise I don't love it. I just walk over my eye. He said, no, let's buy it. And then they bring it today. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's so cute. Oh my. So they have different color of it, and I choose this color. You know, I like brown skin girl. I love brown color so much, so I choose this color. So yeah, let's add water and then let me first of all drink. But by the way, let me first of all whisk it. Okay, let me whisk it, then add the water. So sweetie, instead of all drinking only water with it, let's first of all make this amazing smoothie. So you're going to be needing pineapple and milk. So yeah, let's bring our blender. So now we are going to be adding the pineapple. So this is frozen pineapple. Add it. So I'm going to be adding 1 pack of milk. This is fresh cow milk. So for more liquid, I will add in water, then blend. Wow, it has ground so beautiful. Like this cup is so huge. I believe it's going to contain everything. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. But it's right, guys. Look at the remaining one. This cup is so huge. Wow. So now we are covering it. Okay. So rain want to fall in India. Rain don't they fall. Anyway, let's Oh gosh. Thank you guys for watching. Like the cup is so nice. You can easily make your smoothie, add it on this, keep it in fridge anytime, any day. You can just come then zip it. You know, I love the cup. As I love the cup so much, you can easily order it. It's there in every platform, and you are going to love it. Your baby girl already have her own. You can also get yours. I love you in my next one. Bye bye. Bye.